welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna do the food challenge.
Correct.
Start it?
Yeah.
Sure.
We can.
This is mine.
This is mine.
1, 2, 3.
We first eat this. This is chocolate. You worm. It's like worm. Kan. First. Gabay lang natin.
Okay, next. Oh. Hi guys.
Hello.
Again.
And next.
This is mine.
This is mine. Oh my God, tomato! Oh!
Ang dami ako. You're gonna eat that.
Dinaya, mo na ito sa bidin.
Next. And next.
Hi, again.
This is mine.
This is mine.
1, 2, 3. Wait lang.
Yay!
This is too big.
This is so small. I like this.
Hindi ah. Balik ka.
Should you listen to this bird? Show it her. Would you imagine?
This is dark chocolate. Next, please. Woo! 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Oh! Oh my God, snake! Snake! Oh no!
We're gonna eat this.
You eat that?
Eh!
So hard.
Hit it.
Pusin mo nga ito dun. So yan eh.
She's speaking Tagalog.
By the way, to this challenge, I realized that you need to eat if the food who
You're gonna eat that.
I wanna eat that, but
All
wait
that.
first. If the food you are put, you want to eat. You need to eat because food is important and get nutrition to our health. And even it's not good, hindi. And you your turn. You know that me and he, my name is
Crystal!
Anna May.
Pangit kayo.
Wala kang pake. are too froggy. Oh my god, you talked to me that I'm frog? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Tin?
Yo.
Kaya sa mga viewers. Hi viewers! They are ugly. I'm the beauty. Oh. By the way, yeah, you go to the bar and you wait this way. You go to the bar and wait. Don't intrude me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ito na. Oo. Ano? For the first
Hi guys,
time.
don't forget to subscribe. She's older than me.
Ano ni? Wala si Una? Wala kayong ulam? Hindi na close. Wala kayong ulam ngayon. Ano na lang tayo sa dinner? Iswa?
And hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. We should open this plastic. Oh. Oh. Have a chest. Spinner. Oh. What's this one? Oh. Aerobic. Too. That's for me and Ate Hannah. Oh. Let's see inside. So big. Oh, a Barbie doll. So beautiful Barbie doll. Oh. Oh. They have a toe. Stocking. Oh, what you say? Mama, mama, papa, papa. Here, wait up there. Now we should play this. And this. Oh, it's a chest. Oh, look at this. They have this. How to play. This two plastic rods. Let's play here, guys. Oh, it's a magnet. Look at these guys. Wait up. They have similar. This is the pink and this is the pink.
I-dryer ko muna rin yung talo na. Hindi. Ayaw pwede.
Oh, look at this.
Sure ba? Nakana itong ano, nakana yung ano. Nakana yung ano.
Diba? There's my tita and there's the baby boy. I'll tell you later.
Nakana yung yellow. Kasi pato. Tapos iya tapos sa libi. I know. Tapak ano ma.
My tita is Tagalog.
And you are the English?
Yes, I'm English. And the baby, I can teach him how to English. Of how to speak English. Should play this later.
Yung kayo, mati na utang. Medyo gidasok-dasok mo. Then. Then ikaw.
Oh, aerobics. I'm gonna bobo.
Gonna fix this.
I'm gonna fix this, guys. That's it.
Despacito. Wala ko si Papa.
Oh, it's all done. We should take her and here and here. Hmm? Ooh. And they're gonna
Ayan mo din.
here. Look at that. That's my cousin. Say hi there, cousin. His name was Lance Ian. I told we are cooking later.